Hi guys, how you doing? Debbie here, welcome back. Today I'm going to have a play with some watercolour card, some watercolours, and a new to me stamp and die set. This is the Charming Clusters. I'm using Aquarello watercolour, 100% cotton, extra white, hot pressed. Doesn't matter that it's extra white because we're going to be smothering it in watercolour. So I've cut one sheet just in half. I've got out Andy Skinner's Raspberry Ripple and Fuchsia, and I've also got out Skinner's Gold and Marigold. I might go yellow for a change, you know. Let's put a few drops down. I want to make the two sheets. Just going to spritz it with water. Okay, so I'm just going to get my watercolour and we're going to just dab it in and pick it up. Okay, that's those dried. I quite like this one because it's got the different shadings in it. A piece of vellum. Now this next bit is important. You must use your anti-static because it's vellum. It will cling to every last little bit of it, and we do not want that. So I'm just going to put this in the middle. It doesn't matter where because we're going to be die cutting it anyway. Pick that up. I'm going to use Versamark. This is the Versamark Dazzle. I don't know how I ended up picking that up out of my drawer, but it doesn't matter because we're going over it with gold, so you're not going to see it anyway. Just make sure you've got it all. Give that a press down. Check it's all done, which it has. I'm using Polished Gold Superfine by Wow. You use whatever you want. Now I'm going to heat this up, but for this you must heat your heat tool up for a few seconds beforehand, otherwise your vellum will warp. That's all heat embossed. I'm going to go and get this cut out, and I'm also going to cut the same out of this panel. Cut out a deckled edge panel. This is going to sit on top of this panel because we've got the gold embossing on this. I want to put some kind of gold around the edging. Now I've got out metallic gilding polish, tarnished gold. I don't want smothered. I just want, just so you can see, just get the hint of it. I'm going to place this in the middle. And then this is going to be like that, but just slightly offset. So you can see the colours. Ever so slightly. Now for this, you're going to have to be very careful where you put your glue. I'm just going to put it in the middle. Otherwise you'll see your glue through it. which we definitely don't want. Okay. And I've got a card blank cut out. As you can see, it's a bit big. So my plan was, with this other panel we've got, is to cut one a little bit smaller and use that as another layer. So we've got that cut down. I'm going to stick that into place. Beautiful. And that's going to go on there. Right. Now this set comes with some sentiments. We have got, oops, love you, thanks for you, XOXO, hello and hugs. What I've not done is put some splatter down, so I'm just going to use the stamp rather than cutting out a mask, and then we will get ourselves some splatter. Spellbinders Raven, some of the yellow left, so I've cut out twice, and I thought I could do exactly, oops, what we've just done with the, and do a little offset like so. Can you see? Just to break it up a bit. Okay, so I'm going to get them glued together. Okay, so that's those down. I've got out some little gold gems, and we're going to go alright guys, we're done. That was a quick one today, wasn't it? So there you go. What do you think? I hope you like it. Let's give you some ideas. Something different for me. Don't normally do floralies. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to get going. We'll let the boys out. Give them a play. See if we can get them in the pool or not. See what the weather's doing outside. And I'll catch you next week. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Alright, see you soon. Bye.